Hey guys, Monica AI is like having a personal assistant for all your tasks. Just sign up, set up your preferences, and Monica helps you organize everything from managing your schedule to sending reminders and tracking goals. It's super intuitive and saves time, so you can focus on what really matters. So hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Monica.ai. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into monica.im, or you can just here type it. You open your browser, for example, like that, and you have just to type into Monica without adding anything. You'll find the first results here. You click over it and you'll find here the first page, which is this one, as you can see. All I have to do right now is just click over add to Chrome. It's free. But first, let's know what is Monica AI. Monica AI is like your personal digital assistant that helps you stay organized. It keeps track of your tasks, reminds you of important things, and helps you manage your schedule all in one place, making life a bit easier. Alright, so let's just click on over add to Chrome. It's free, and you'll find out a page, which is this one. You have just to click add to Brave, and you get it started if you want, and you upload here this one to add it up to the Brave, and you get started. Or you can just right now come back here and you click over the first here. You will find here signing in. You'll find other page, which is this one. We have here log in, and we have sign up for free. So you can use the first option, which is sign up with Google, or you can sign up with email, sign up with Apple. It's better to choose for email. Let's choose this for email, and I will click over sign up, and then you will find other page, which is this one. It's this home page after getting your confirmation on your email. So alright, so we have here various things to know about this platform. It's not like ChatGPT and this kind of AI. This one is more better because it can also here choose, for example, if you want an AI search, craft artificial, chat with page, generate document, generate and we have various things. Let's discover together. So first, let's just ask, for example, for something, which, for example, which platform AI for researching is better, and I will click over enter, choosing the best AI platform for research dependent. If you add here Google Scholar, Semantic Scholar, ResearchGate, Microsoft Academic, PubMed, and let's just add in, for example, here I will click over AI search, and I will choose here, for example, which platform is best, Monica or ChatGPT. And let's just here, it seems there are no specific results. So ChatGPT developed by Open, and if you are referring to the personal CRM tool named Monica, it focused on managing personal relationships and organizing contacts. It's not an AI conversational model like ChatGPT, but rather a tool for personal organization. So if you are looking for a conversation AI, ChatGPT would be the best. And for managing relationship and personal data, Monica would be more suitable. So this is here AI search, which platform is best, and also you can select other options. For example, about here, you can just click over here for the research, and also we have other things. For example, if I ask for something, and I also here if I want to switch on this one, and if I want also here news, academics, developer, my memo, and that's it for this one. Also, we have here other options here. If on a bots, you can just here click over create a bot in the top right, and you enter the name. Here we have the prompt, the model that you want. If you want GPT 4o or GPT 4o mini. Alright, so that's it for this one. You'll find also here models if you want a productivity, developer, education, product, marketing, design, research, lifestyle. So you can just search for the one you want. Then we have here the option of search. Here we have search, for example, we can get rate the docker plans. So this one is for researching for travel. And then we have about rate. Here we have chat with the link. You have just to upload document here and enter URL like YouTube and introducing Memo as your exclusive AI knowledge base. You can collect in a web page. AI chat records image and PDF information, intro, Memo, and chat with it to retrieve information. All right, so it's better for using this one. You can just upload some books and you talk about with this AI and about this book. All right, it's good for. Also, we have here write about. So for example, you select if you want auto, short, medium, or long. Here we have format. If you want email, message, comment, paragraph, article, and here we have you choose the language that you want. We have tone, and you click over generate and you get start and tell about what you write. So tell me what to write for you, and then you get in start. Also, we have translate as well. So in this platform, we just here find that we have a various things. For example, for a search for something, and here we have parts, search, about, read, write, and also translate. All right, so it's very good. So it choose here the language that you want, and let's choose which language you think it's better. I'll let you, for example, let's choosing for example for French. The write for example here Rome. I will click over generate. As you can see, here we have role and about GPT-4 will give us cell, and we have here a Google Translate give us chamber, Microsoft Translate give us chamber. So it's we have also here resources. So let's just give him something else. For example, let's just give him here child. Let's click over and translate. We have here the same. So all right, it's the same and it's the correct. So that's a specific things because you'll find here three options. If it's the same, so the translation for sure it's gonna be this result, right? So this is for translate. Then we have AI art. So about this one we have about artist. If you search for describe the picture, characters, scene, and style you imagine. So let's just describe something here. For example, artist. For example, let's search in describing actor, a famous actor, like that, a famous actor. Right, and here we have generating. You have just to wait for, and here we have a famous actor. I think you know this one. All right, so it's Brad Pitt, I guess. Yeah. And right now we have Toolkit as well. So here we have to choose the option that you want. About Toolkit, if you want to chat with PDF, easily get intelligent summaries and answers for your documents. Here is your scanner. For example, we have quick candidate assessment and interview questions, PDF to Word, converted PDF to Word, document, PDF to GPT. We have OCR PDF, then we have the resume checker, invoice scanner, PDF to PNG, PDF to PPT as well, right? So you can just choose the one you want. Also, we have your image tools. About this option, you find here remove background, remove object, remove text, AI image generator, remove brushed area. Then we have here change background, upscale, AI image animator. And we have AI tools as well. And also we have here memo, and you start here what's in your mind and you talk with this AI. So this is how it works with this platform. It's very helpful because we have various things in one platform. It's not like ChatGPT and other platforms or other AI because it provides various things such as chat, if you want to search, translate, read, write, and talk about a specific cases, by the way. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.